So there was a program for final year students and penultimate students. It's called the Masters Tour Lagos. They will explain things on scholarship, funding, and visa. Well, I decided to go because I promised myself to spend less time at the library and attend more relevant programs. After the flight, I touched down at the University of Lagos. Following a cool and decent ride, I made it to the event. You'll be welcomed by some beautiful people. You enter your name and you'll be given a tag. Of course, that will be needed to get food, which is very important. During the program, representatives from different universities like Switzerland, Germany, London, and other places spoke about their school. And the most beautiful thing about this is that afterwards, you get to meet them personally if you have specific and pointed questions. So if you have any questions when they will be interviewed, you can go outside and ask them. They discuss how to obtain a visa, what to do if you receive a scholarship but you're unable to travel, the financial bedrock you should put in place, because scholarship only covers a small portion of your total expenses. And of course, how do we know we're in Nigeria? Yeah, never happened. It was actually a very nice program. After the program, we took some nice pictures, and voila, it was 5:55. It was a productive day. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. See you next time.